Practice Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at homes with environment management programs. In continuation to our last session on implement environment programs at homes and reduce solid waste, today we will practice identification of domestic activities, its environmental aspects and impacts along with its effects. We all know domestic solid waste management is controlled by rules of municipality solid waste 2016. This rule is applicable to municipal, urban and industrial areas. As per the rules, the responsibility of generators has been introduced to segregate waste generated at homes into three categories: wet, dry, and hazardous waste, and hand over to waste collectors or local bodies. The rule also adds that generator will have to pay user fee to the waste collector and a spot fine for littering and non-segregation will be levied. The quantum will be decided by local bodies. The wet waste or biodegradable waste should be processed, treated and disposed through composting or biomethanation within the premises of generator as far as possible. New townships and group housing societies have been made responsible to develop in-house waste and handling and processing arrangement for biodegradable waste or wet waste. Let us all see the activities at home generating wet waste or biodegradable waste, their aspects, impacts and effects. The categories in this area is wet or biodegradable waste generated at homes. Under the head activities of wet waste generations at home, we have vegetable, fruit, mutton, chicken, etc. cutting their waste, their cleaning wastes, food waste, vegetable and fruit deteriorated or waste. In the aspects we see that it deteriorates, it smells by and creates poor housekeeping. This leads to impacts like air pollutions, groundwater pollutions, soil pollution, and the most important is foul smelling in the air. And in the evaluation scale of impacts, we can give it 3 marks depending upon the severity, the occurrence, etc. calculations. On the legal and other regulation side, it comes under the legal requirements as per the MSW rules 2016, and it is significant aspect. And regarding its control, it should be controlled by operational control procedure for storage of wet waste, segregation and handing over to waste collector. Thus, wet waste generated at homes produces significant impacts which affects us all, causing diseases, air, water, soil, borne diseases, pollutions, produces foul gases, Hence, it needs to be properly segregated, stored, and disposed. The duties as per MSW Rules 2016 is the generators or the residents. Our next talk will be on operational control procedure for segregation, storage, handing over of waste, that is biodegradable waste, and subsequent steps. Thank you.